Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming a recent local backup on your old phone. This is what you will transfer. Go to WhatsApp settings, chats, chat backup, and check the timestamp. If it's missing, tap backup to create one. Make sure your phone number is active and that there's enough internal storage. Local backups live in device storage. Once done, disable or pause Google Drive or iCloud auto backups so WhatsApp uses the local file when you move it to the new phone. Now you move the local backup files to the new phone. Locate the WhatsApp/databases folder and copy the latest MSG store. DB. Crypt12 file plus the entire databases folder. Use a USB cable to a PC, an OTG cable, or an SD card. Keeping the folder path identical matters so WhatsApp can detect it. Install the same or compatible WhatsApp version on the new device, but do not open it yet. Once the files are in place, you're ready to begin account verification. On the new phone, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. This triggers the app to search for local backups. When prompted, tap Restore and wait while messages and media import. You'll see progress and then your chats reappear. If WhatsApp doesn't detect the backup, make sure the databases folder is in internal storage /WhatsApp and file names match expected patterns. If that still fails, rename the backup to MSG store. DB. Crypt12. Confirm app permissions for storage, and retry the verification and restore process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.